Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to recreate my very first colorful eye makeup. It's actually the logo picture on Terry's Corner. It's this one right here. Yeah, we're gonna try to recreate that colorful makeup if I can still remember, but we are doing this in honor of my 2K celebration. Yes guys, we've made it to 2,000 subscribers. It's been a hot minute. It's been a while, but you know what? I'm all about celebrating the wins, no matter how big or how small. YouTube for me was just for fun, like something that I get to do, something that would occupy my time, but I love playing with makeup. And so that was one of the reasons why I started a YouTube channel, is just to do it for fun. But at the same time, I wanted some freebies so that I can continue playing with makeup. Throughout the years, I feel like I have accomplished that goal. With that said, we're gonna try to recreate my YouTube thumbnail picture, and then stay tuned at the end of this video because there is a major giveaway, 2K giveaway for all my subscribers. So let's go ahead and get started. So in honor of this 2K celebration, I wanted to talk about 5 lessons that I've learned throughout this YouTube journey. As I'm putting on my concealer, it made me realize that throughout this YouTube journey, I learned to conceal and not correct. Cover up imperfections, but stay true to yourself. On social media, it's so easy to believe that this person has the perfect skin, body, or even life. But that's all a lie. Let go of preconceived notions. Doors will open up when you show your true self to others, including all of your imperfections. You won't get far being like someone else. Another lesson that I learned is that a good foundation is a strong foundation. Lay the perfect groundwork for your success. Know deep down what's important to you and what you stand up for, and you will weather through any storm. Lesson number 3, maintain a healthy balance. It was hard for me to add YouTube to my ever-changing and challenging life schedule. Just like in makeup, we balance a colorful eye with a nude lip and vice versa. You too must maintain a good balance. Make sure you're not hyper-focused on one thing. Give yourself grace when you need it and work hard when the opportunity presents itself. Life has many seasons. You must welcome it with open arms and adjust accordingly. As I tackled this colorful eye, I remembered one lesson. Take risks. Don't be afraid to take risks. Try something new and do something that makes your heart race. Whether it's trying a colorful makeup, zip lining over the redwood trees, or starting a new YouTube channel. Just try. Your biggest regret in life will be not trying at all. The last lesson that I learned is to learn from others and learn from your mistakes. No matter how hard you try, there's always someone better than you, smarter or prettier than you. This is not to make you feel insecure, but it's to remind you to be humble. When you uplift others, then others will uplift you too. Take every opportunity as a learning experience and use it to grow. Throughout this YouTube journey, I learned to lean on others and found the bestest of friends along the way. We all have a place to succeed in this world. We are always better together.
to be kind. Press my face to the back, all the pillars that stack, and hold up the sun.
This is the final look. What do you think? I feel like it's a little bit bolder than the original picture, right? I don't know, but I'm really loving it. It has the same colors that I've used in the past. Like these two are kind of my OGs, like original palettes that I keep going back to. It's probably expired, but guys, the pigmentation on these two palettes are just amazing. The best by Morphe, the best colorful palette that I've ever tried. It's hard to get these colors like nice and bright and opaque. So I really love them. And then my newer ones like this one and Natasha Denona for the blues and for the orange. They're my newer palettes, but a big favorite of mine. So love this. This one is by Jeffree Star. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Just true to my identity, I don't use false lashes. So I just put on a really good mascara, an oldie but a goodie, my waterproof Monsour Big mascara by Lancome. It's amazing. Okay, so with that said, I just want to say thank you for all the years of supporting me. I have been collecting the most amazing makeup products, skincare products, and I've been saving them up for you guys. So I will be showing all that you can win. This is a major giveaway. This is probably over $200 worth of products in here, and some of them are my tried and true products, my favorites, and I knew I had to throw them in there. So in order to enter, please check the rules in the description box below, and also comment what would you like to see in Terry's Corner in the near future. Would you like to see more lifestyle? Would you like to see like day in the life vlogs, food vlogs, more skincare, reviews? And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!